wanted to get a look and see how this, I was so eager to get this going, and I wanted to do it without moss because I'm having problems seeing the moss. So I just sketched out my little pattern and just visualized it in my head. In the good old days, about 10 years ago, I'd say, maybe longer, 12, I would make these massive swatches so it'd be an easier way to visualize how it's really going to look on a big blanket. But then I decided, you know, you got this half the blanket, let's just make a blanket. But I would have this, if I had, this is showing this little gap of concern here. If I had done it, you know, a swatch of this, even if it was like narrowed down, I would have seen, wait a minute, why do I have these two twists without something in it? And I would have simply put another 6 stitch cable. But then you look over here, I've got only got 1 stitch cable over 6 stitch cable over here. I'd have to rearrange the whole daggum thing. But I would have put a 6 stitch cable here. I would have filled it with something.